Oh, yes. Whoa. I like your energy. Oh, is that your little brother? Beside you. So, how are you today, Isabel? How are you? How are you? Oh, you're fine. Oh, I also have the same with you. Sure have a headphone. Okay, let's put that in our head. That's so cute. Okay. So, in this afternoon now, are you ready to start our lesson? Yes, okay. Let me share first my screen here. Just wait for a moment. Okay. So yesterday we learned about heating and cooling. So the next lesson, let's talk about dissolving. Here. Whew. Can you please read it out? Oh, okay. Can you see it now? Can you see it?
Materials in water.
Okay. So in this topic, we understand that some materials can dissolve in water. So our big idea here, Isabel, dissolving.
Dissolving materials in water is very useful.
Yeah, just like look at the picture. What is this? Do you know what's that? Do you know what's in the picture, Isabel?
It's an eye.
Is it an ice? I think it's a tea. Do you know what is tea?
He
It's
is
a
like a
tea.
tea. His eyes
Yeah,
are like a
that's
tea.
right.
Tea.
There's the tea. It's inside. So look at the photograph of a cup of tea. Do you know a cup of tea is made? So here, let's read. Not all.
Not
Let's read Ishmael. That
all materials will spin out in water. If a material split out in water so that we cannot see it, we say it has
so
dissolved. Peach.
the
The
material
materials may hurt by spot. We cannot see the piece of the materials. If a material does not burn out in water, we say it has difficulties.
is not
Uh,
dissolved.
it's just a salt.
So just like here, and as we look at the pictures below, they show materials before and after they have been put into water. So just like here. So complete the labels to show which material has dissolved and has not dissolved. So in the first picture, Isabel, does the material dissolve in the water? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so let's write dissolve.
It
Dissolve.
is
That's
hot.
right. D. Yeah, that's right. D-I. This one.
I
D.
F
And
O L V E D.
okay. How about this is a sun? Does the sun dissolve in the
This is
water?
the water. And this is
Yeah,
oh,
this is the
this is
sand.
oh.
Sand. So does the sand dissolve in the water?
Oh no. No, it's
Yeah,
doesn't.
very good. So it means we're going to write here not
Not this
dissolve.
all.
Yeah, let's write here. Let's label
Not
not
this.
dissolve.
So D I S S
And
O L V E study.
Solved. So it means that some of the powder can dissolve in the water, but some materials they cannot or did not dissolve in the water. So here, let's learn more of it. So in investigation of dissolving, let's read number one. Let me erase this first. One, add
One,
here.
add some water to your breaker so they are not harmful.
Also, number two, predict. Predict
Number two, detecting
whether, predict
whether the materials will dissolve,
dissolve.
or not. Add a spoonful of the first materials of to your first
Speaker.
sticker. Third, what
Here,
happened? What's your
prediction,
protection?
right?
Protection, right?
Okay, so here, as in our
What? I can see
investigation,
me.
according to you, Isabel, which substances dissolve and which substances did not dissolve?
Hmm?
Mm-hmm. Just like here.
Look at the photograph of the sea. Where does the salt go when it's dissolved? We know that seawater is salty, but the sand on beach does not diffuse into the
Dissolve.
sea. How could
So
you show that when things
dissolve
dissolve, they are not
disappear.
disappear?
So it means that, do you know what is salt?
Huh?
Do you know the salt Isabel?
Yes.
The salt. Yes. So commonly our sea or our ocean, it's salty. So some salt there, it's dissolved. We cannot see that. But look at the sun. They're at the sea. They're at the water, but no, but they don't or does not dissolve into.
Yes.
Oh, what's that? Is it a sun? A
Yeah.
Mr. Sun? Okay, but this one here is this is the sand. So some of it does not dissolve into water. So here now, you're going to circle if the answer is correct. Circle the correct answer. So number one, let's read. When a
Number one,
material
when the material breathes out
spread,
in water, we say it has diffused. Dissolved.
it has dissolved.
Oh.
So when a material spread out in water, we say it has
True.
dissolved. Okay, it's true. So let's circle.
It is
Let's circle that's true. Okay. Number two, only some.
true. Oh yes, some materials will dissolve in water.
Only some materials. Some of the materials will dissolve in water. It's true or false?
True.
Okay, still it's true. Let's circle. Circle. And the last one, sand.
Sand dissolved in water.
It's true or false?
False.
Good, that's right. Our sand does not dissolve in water. So good job. Yeah, good job. So those are the correct answer, Isabel. Now, The next topic here, we are now done. Oh, what's that? That I think that's a tissue or the paper in a tissue.
Tissue. And it's
Oh,
gone. I write
oh.
it out. Oh.
See, it means you can change the shape of that cart. I think it's a cartoon. Cartoon. Or the paper. Yeah, you can change it in. If you scramble, you can change the shape of
And I
that circle.
cut the paper.
Yeah, exactly. Our paper can cut. But now, look at now here, Ishmael. Our materials, there are two types. First is natural
Natural
or
or not natural.
okay. So in our objective here, understand some materials occur naturally and others are man-made. So our big
Oh, in
idea,
my head.
what happened? I think the paper falls on the floor. Okay, now please read the big idea. We use
We use materials that are found in
nature.
nature, but also some that are made by people.
Okay, very good. Some of the materials it's made by the nature or made by Earth, but some of them made by the people or made by
Made by
us.
the people.
Yeah, made by the people. Okay, now here, let's read. Some materials have
Wood. I know what.
used.
This is the
Oh,
clay.
you know.
This is the wood.
Oh,
What
really?
is
Very.
that? The wood
Are
and
you?
the clay.
I
This
think this
looks
is
like
not made from.
clay.
Yeah, that's right. But this is not made from clay. First,
Huh?
some
It is
materials have been
different from
used.
clay.
No, it's not. It's
No, not a
not.
clay. This is gold.
It's not. It's not made from the clay. But you know what? How we're going to match each of the material, how it's used, what has been done for you. This
Huh?
one. Yeah. So clay, it's made, or our pot
Oh, gold is
made
made
by the.
from the clay.
Good job. Exactly. And how about here? Wood. Wood.
Wood.
Mhm.
Wood.
Okay. And the last one?
And the
Reeds.
last one is reeds.
So reeds are some of the people, their roof, it's made of reeds. Or it is a taller grass. Reeds is a taller grass that we can see in
Yes!
places. So again, this ring made from the
Yeah, from the gold.
okay, this table made from this
Gold.
table made from the wood.
Wood.
And our roof, this roof made from this roof,
Made from
our
reeds.
reeds and pot made from
Clay made from clay.
okay, made from clay. So we are now done here. Good job. So that's how some of the material we use and where's the origin. So now here, let's talk about natural. Let me erase this first. All right here. Two materials.
Materials are found in natural state of natural.
Such
Materials. Materials such as wood, clay, stone, shell, and sand.
mhm.
Materials that people made are called man or made are not
Natural.
naturals, such
Such
as glass, plastic,
concrete,
concrete, and still many people, buildings, roads, dams, and beaches are made from concrete.
Okay, that's right. So some of these one some of the natural materials such as wood, clay, stone that are natural. It's made from nature. Well, man-made or not natural. Example, our glass, plastic, concrete, and steel. You know what? Our roads, building our house. It's made from the concrete. So it's man-made. Now, in our investigation here, Isabel, oh, can you see me?
No.
Because you're covering your eyes. Okay, thank you. So this time now, let's learn about sorting objects, if it's natural or man-made. So look at the objects your teacher has given to you. For example,
Hey,
this one,
example.
this one. Is it natural or man-made?
What is this?
It's a paper. Is it natural or
Also
man-made?
have a paper like this, but I also
Oh,
have pink one, stickers.
you have a pink one. I also have a pink one here. Just like a smaller. So
I don't
our
have a
paper, is
smaller
it?
pink one. The
Oh,
I
I have.
have then no smaller.
Oh,
A pink
it's
not
because it's so
smaller.
small. Oh, really?
Pink
I
is
think.
white.
Wow, wow, wow. So here now, teacher is asking, our paper, is it man-made or natural?
Natural.
Oh, is it natural?
No,
Our
man.
paper. Okay, it's man-made. How about this? Dun, 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 dun,
What?
dun. Oh,
It's a rock. What
okay,
is
it's a
it?
rock. Is
Hand.
it not?
It's real dirty.
Is,
Why do you
it's
keep
not.
keeping them?
It's not dirty. I already wash it. I wash it. I think I remember I get it in the lake. In lake. So
Huh?
our
How did you get it?
because I don't know. I don't know the reason why I get it, but I think I like the shape and color. Because when it's in the water,
You
it
made
looks
a
like
rock
red.
in the lake long time ago, right? You
Oh,
don't
I think
remember them.
I think last month, last 3 months ago, we went in a lake and I really attracted with the color because it looks like maroon or red if we dip in the water. So rocks, Isabel, is it natural or man-made?
Hmm. Natural.
Very good. It's natural. So that's how we define if it's natural or man-made. So now, in part to decide which materials or objects are made are made from. Your table, Isabel. What's your table is made from your table your table there in
So
your house.
clean it. Wow. What think about?
Hmm?
What would
Okay.
your school look like?
Yes, there.
Like if there were no man-made
Materials.
materials,
What?
what would you
What
make?
could imagine if our house, if our school,
This is a question
there's no
mark.
man-made. It's
Question
a
mark.
question mark. Very good. So imagine, Isabel, if the things that surround us is made from natural.
It's like material that made from the school.
Say it again. What did you say? One more time.
This this school is made from the metal.
Oh, made from the metal? Mm, that's right. Some of them is made from the metal. But the question here, what if, what would your school or your house or something if there's no man-made materials? What would you miss? What would you miss, Isabel?
Hmm.
It means there's no concrete, there is no,
No, they no complete
yeah, there's no steel. That's the things
because
that we
they
miss.
are Christian.
Because commonly,
Can be.
oh, okay. Commonly natural is like more on forests. Those are natural. So in this time now, let's learn about changing materials.
Did you miss?
We need we need to circle tree.
We need plastic, wood, grass, stones, seal, stones. We miss.
Okay.
Oh.
So underline the three man-made materials and you need to circle the tree of natural materials. Wood, is that natural or man-made?
Hmm. Money.
Mhm. It's
One made
okay, it's man-made. The wood.
good
It's
like this. It's
it's
like
the
a rock. It's
natural.
like a LOG rock.
Log log. Log, yeah. It came from the wood also.
It's made
So
from the word also.
don't follow me. Here. So wood, let's circle.
My
Because wood
shirt
is
is
not.
called Volkadashi shoe.
Mm-hmm. Just follow here. So circle the natural material. So wood is natural. How about glass? Is it man-made or natural? Glass.
Not
The
made.
word. Very good. So let's underline. Let's underline the word. Oh, you're dancing now. Okay, let's underline.
Huh?
Can you, let's underline the word glass.
Ooh. Wood.
Yeah, the glass. Let's underline.
Grass. And underline.
Let's yeah, this one. No, that is circle. When we talk about underline, just like this.
Hmm.
Glass is man-made, so let's underline.
I need things. My
Mhm.
stick. Okay.
So this time, the word plastic now is Isabel.
Hmm.
Is it man-made or
Huh?
natural?
Man-made. Man-made.
Okay, so
Man-made.
it's man-made, so let's
Man-made.
underline. Okay, stone now. The word stone.
No more stones. Natural.
Okay, it's correct. Steel. How about steel? Man-made or natural?
Hmm. Man-made.
Okay, it's man-made. So let's underline. Ching. And the last word, stone.
Hmm.
Oh, stone again.
Stone.
Stone is. Oh, is it man-made? Okay. So
Natural.
there are two stones. So it's still natural. Good job. So in part of or number two now, Isabel. Which natural material is often used for making pots and bowls? It starts with letter C.
Or then the sea.
Letter
Bone.
C.
Stone.
Commonly, we often use it to make or making pots and bowls. What's that? The
Hmm.
clue word here is C,
No. What is it? Number C.
C, L.
L.
What's that?
Hmm.
Cle, cle.
Clay.
Okay, very good. How do you spell the word clay? Can you complete this word?
Okay. C
Clay.
L A Y clay.
Okay, good job.
And
So
much
buttons
more.
and so our pots and
This
bowls
is
made
the
from the clay.
clay.
Yeah, oh, it's made from the clay.
Clay
And number three now.
from
Here is so number three. Which man-made material is used to build bridges, dams, and roads? It also starts with letter C.
concrete.
Okay, let's spell the word concrete. C.
C O N C R E T E.
Okay, it's D. E. Is it E or Y? What letter is it? It's E. Okay, good job. It's E. So that's it. So our buildings, bridges, dams, and roads made from the foam. Awesome. So now, the next lesson. What we have learned about changing materials. So let's review again. Let's review now, Isabel. So here, name three ways that you can change the shape of materials by
By
with that. Or here,
by scribble
I
the
I
paper.
changed their shape by paper. So what did they do?
Hmm.
I
Huh?
I sponge
Scratch
sponge.
paper.
Yeah,
You scratch
yeah,
the paper.
very good. And also we also using by cooling and heat, cooling and heat,
Huh?
heating, cooled and heat. So by
Hmm.
cooling and heating, they can also change their shape.
Ooh,
So
I
now
know
you know.
4 ways to change the shape of materials.
Exactly. So now let's continue here. Heating materials. How
How
could you
could
change?
you change the paper of a hard metal or glass?
Yeah, how can you change the shape? By?
By hitting them.
Okay, very good. By heating
Hitting
them,
them.
you can
Mm,
change the
mm,
shape
mm, mm,
of
mm, mm.
metal.
Hitting them.
Oh no. Okay. Oh, what happened? How about the
Oh,
second
what
question now?
happened? Oh,
Here. How could you make clay or bread dough hard? We usually
huh? Eating.
say it again.
Heating. Heating.
Hmm, other word for heating. We bake.
Heating.
It's letter
Baking.
B. Very good. Baking.
Baking.
We bake.
And
Baking.
ing.
Okay, that's right. So in making a pot or clay bread dough hard, we bake it in or we bake or in baking. So now you know, let's read. I can.
I can name 2 things you can change the shape of by hitting them.
Yeah, so that is baking also in heat.
Good.
So that's the thing. It's true. Now I think Isabel is I think is kind of we're running out of time now. So maybe tomorrow let's continue reviewing this lesson in cooling materials. So now teacher is going to say goodbye and Captain
Bye.
Cat. See you again tomorrow.